What picture?
Bishele rari
Sasa saizi tumekushika hivyo. Hebu comment hiyo picha. Wewe unataka kucomment aje?
Tumepatana? Tuko sawa? Selfie.
Sawa, mlipata picha, mkashare selfie.
Ukiri mwega mwiroreri wa Kwaria TV ni njitagwo Jojo wa Kamau na ngwiraga ni kuka chonjo kama jonjo gakena muno ni gukorwo thini wa gikaro giki na ndikire wiki mundu ndaneririria gucamania nake mundu ndaneririria gukorwo nge interview Muthoni wa kirumba kana mother hen ore twakorwo tukimita thiku ici. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Niki wari wenda ni uguo
uragwo gwitari mutambo-ini
shoka haha
mutande Kwaria TV goragwo guchangamkaga tu riria jikarire kuria
no wari wenda ni muno kana
kahoma kajikarire hanini na kuhinga mwaka riu turahinga mwaka tunyihitie volume but honestly danger dikoragwo na too much to shout on.
Daka na go you look smart.
Hey, I'm not even smart.
And you're beautiful.
Tomorrow. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Muthika wishiriria ti horo wa
today is just a Saturday. Too much pressure nigetha event ito ya kameme thi wega. So ndiri na maundu moru. No ningikiendete reggae either way.
Favorite reggae music ni riko yako?
Bob Marley, nyimbo ciothe cia Bob Marley. Anytime.
Wow.
Anytime Bob.
Thank you so much. Yes. Na gucirie muthenya umuthi tuhana ndu wa igongona kana ndu wa ndumu ino ya mugithi iria igakorwo muthenya wa ruciu tutariri horo wa ndumu ino.
Twina ndumu ya kuhinga mwaka kameme kayo ka muingi kameme TV K24 the people daily K24 plus app kameme digital and all our umbrellas share media max makeria kameme tugicokeria our listeners ningi muno kwi maundu maingi tukoretwo tugikata guthie junction stations and so on and so forth no umuthi kana rucio tubangite ndumu ino nigetha turugie mwaka wega tuhinge mwaka instead dukoretwo wi mwaka muritu dukoretwo wi mwaka muhuthu kuringana na uria kwenda kuwa no ni muhuthu muno tondu twi muoyo koguo nikio twina ndumu ya kurugia mwaka guku apsa thenya wa rucio Sunday the 31st kuma 6 pm ginya 1st of January 2024 6 am tucokerie clans aito the gatho mafans aito aria matutumite ithuĩ tukorwo ithuĩ ni ithuĩ riu tukore tukinye hau tukinyite koguo nikio turametera ndumu eno nene it's big it's massive
na muthenya urucio ndiramenya ni gwakorwo na ini matiganite
kwina Mugai wa Njoroge kwina Joyce wa mama kwina mzima wa Maige Regina Muthoga wa Jasali Aganewe Regina kwina waithaka wa Jeni kwina ini muno Samido ni akaina coke aume so kwina aini ingi muno Karagwa Muraya so aini ni ingi of course the DJ Dibul DJ za kameme atagathi athomia mohoro sisi wote tutakuwa hapa
na tutie koreria muno horo wa event yo kaundu kario retira mwaka uyu ni kariko
wow kaundu kario retira mwaka uyu ni gukorwo maybe they consistent na in touch with my fans because oge lose touch nitumenyaga so we've been in touch the whole year so we thank God regardless uria gukoretwo we've been in touch that's the most important thing nikiwa feel wanani feel so tumekuwa tukipelekana
kwina andu aingi muno makoretwo magikorora kana there are people who are looking up to you na nituonaga maita maingi andu ni mokaga thini wa media magacoka makehera but Muthoni wa kirumba ukoretwo uyumiti no karugama as Muthoni wa kirumba what is happening tukona mundu ni okana gathie you as Muthoni wa kirumba niki wikite gutigirira ni we handa thini wa media na andu ni makwenda na njira nene.
Wow, it's been 14 years of not easy. Ngai hatiri undu njikite honestly ti guthoma ati thomete muno ti thauti ndi nayo muno tiri undu munene njikaga kuma tha ndirena kuma tha 8 nginya tha 10 utiri undu munene kuma tha 4 nginya tha 8 utiri undu munene njikaga just being consistent and praying God to give you something makeria favor ona ungikorwo wika undu munene magics na favor Ngai ndarekereirie so yakwa nĩ Ngai there's nothing big I do utiri ndu ingi ukanjugia ati njikaga atire ndu mune njikaga wani kunyihiria athikiriria kumahe gitio kumatambura mimi ni mtu hakuna mahali siwezi kula mimi ni mtu wao watu wangu kutoka wa chini sana mpaka the mighty wale wa juu zaidi so na plus kuomba Mungu na gwitikia Ngai utiri ndu munene njikaga weto no thikagirire ndite munene njikaga atire ure njikaga you can even do better so ni Ngai kuhe favor na ngacokeria Ngai ngatho
And who is your favorite presenter?
Wow, favorite presenter? All of them.
Loka kidogo.
Favorite presenter ni othe tondu ni ukudiga na bara but of course I actually I love Gatonye so much. He's my buddy. Wera-ini when I'm in distress rĩrĩa ndĩraigua where to change where not to ndĩmũ consultaga muno so in terms of behind the scenes the person who ũrĩa ũndindĩkaga muno nĩ Gatonye onake rĩrĩa down rĩrĩa mũmũringĩte muno anjĩraga matha ndĩna kaũndũ agent so Gatonye anytime but every other presenter top but presenter ũrĩa ũkoretwo so behind me really when did you I'm losing it ndaigua gutiga so Gatonye has been that pillar yes watwika shock I know actually Gatonye all the time yeah
no ari horo wa bara na tukiri horo wa bara maybe politically ni ukoraga maybe as a station ni support a certain mweno uyu na murugamo uyu ungi iko affect gati wewe ita Muthoni wa kirumba rimwe
apparently the station de makagia nenie station yatira ndo yukagira na wira nenie so I choose to support whoever my fans want no dire too much into politics dire too much into politics so all politicians are my friends ko dire mundu ingiuga ati ni ndirahurwo ni ndireko ndikayuka muingi so maybe nikiitare too much into bad books na siasa yeah so station gokorwo guku kana guku ri eyo ni station ni ndi Muthoni koguo ni njikaraga he Muthoni njikaga uria Muthoni athitwo ni media centers na media aria magituhe regulataga njike
wow thank you muno Muthoni na wendo
tire mundu thia na uria media house raiga Gatonye ndangiko to ndangithie this side tondu Kameme ni arerwe ko this no
okay
asha ni traffic yake yeah you cook your booth
yeah wendo waku na ithako kinyite ha
kwena guo ithako riko ithako wa mukira
karaiko master
kwena wendo ona wengi kwendete
acha akiri guko hana
ko no ne nifati gukorwo ngimwira ni murabangira nginya cia toro
urakigwita girl
ko ndirera we no already na flat tummy ndirera icio ni social media murathoma muno no ni ndirenda gucokeria a Kenya all the gatho ni kuhe data andu aria meheanaga data Zuku Safaricom Telcom Fiber whatever andu othe maheanaga data ni muramaheire mbeca cia kuriha mishara January tondu ni murari na wira mwega wa kuruta so I love the banter
so utakomenta aje kuhusiana na that the whole picture
what picture
bishele rari
sasa saizi tumekushika hivyo hebu comment hiyo picha wewe unataka kucomment aje
tumepatana tuko sawa selfie
sawa mlipata picha mkashare selfie
but again na ida kare jira atiri gutio mundu thuire ihore gare wendo
nego iga no nginya nyambe thikiririo ri iga
but maybe I am really now wenda kumenya your favorite artist
in terms of
mugithi artist
why not gospel guthiete gukwira Esther Muthoni nyitagirira and all the others ni nyendete nyimbo cia Samirongo Samike anyway that's Gimara Majian Kelvin Maina dire favorite musician but I love good music ona mwena wa mugithi I've promoted almost every top artists from Samido, Gatutura, Eddie, Waithaka, all of them. Na ninyedete maziliza kina CDM. So I've promoted quite many. Ni mahetokire tu moko tu tugimekerera nyimbo. So all of them are good. Yes. I love life. No life in a music. So I love life.
Wow, thank you muno. Na tukiari horo wa digital transformation. Ithu iro turaruta no nyi muraruta almost the same thing, but not to kumenya hihi ni impact iriko ithu turehete thini wa society. Na kuona ringi ni gukora rimwe ni turagikiriro na njira citiganite, but the impact ira turehete thini wa society ni teriko.
You guys are doing a good job. Muraruta wira mwega muno. Digital is digital. Ona riu date ya gwere ngerekera rucio na digital. So need corona thina na anyone digital. The only problem with digital, especially Kwaria TV, ni kwandika ndeto cia matuhuhu.
Odi egoro twandikithia matuhuhu.
Rimwe ikaraga mukauga so long as it's straight. Utiri hindi ungiruga makameme. Uwe Muthoni ni ahikitio ni waithaka. You're going to go to the court. Nego rutunyo bajeno ya media nego igithia mitambo ya kameme. I mean, so digital magetweka a bit serious na ni wendera thiri indo njira ni ngoretwo kuo na ngahanda miri wenda gukorwo we relevant on social media irandu horo wama tondu at the end of the day wana maheni ni manogagia mundu, but so long as you entertain them, tiga kumahitithia hindi ngi ni kamera he ngari yago na hayoraga andu, tiga kuhe andu pranks. Stop pranking people. Andu me too busy to start thinking tiga gutiga andu na suspense. No. If you're saying Waithaka is dating, stop tiga kubangaiza, you put it straight up. I will say nyuma TV ya Kororia kana day ups grounds na nede mwana wetagwo Adrian na miaka 30 whatever na day a Catholic kedo straight up. No social media itigaga do most of the things ni pranks na 40% maheni, so igakorwo ni a bit na muno igatwika ni rahuthirwo gucokia ado down. So long as you use it properly, it is 100%. You're gonna go far.
Wow,
farther than we have. See tuna exit. I'm planning to exit.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe in another 5 years. Maybe in another 5 years. Kurigana na uria Ngai akwenda. Yeah.
Turali horo wa ciugo ciaku iria ngenda kwira mwiroreri cia 2023 ni iriku?
Tukihinga mwaka wa mbere ni gucokia ngatho muno kuri Ngai, na ringi gucokia ngatho muno kuri Ngai, na kumucokeria ngatho ringi tondu ni watha nyingi na muthikiriria through Ngai agatuhe thikiriria aingi ti omwere atatu angiona matiwe social media ni andu akabambe tuthimu tuigana o they don't have even data ona mo maraigua na inywe riu ni makaiguira kameme-ini uria kurathie, which is okay. Koguo ndi macokerie ngatho ni gukorwo kwina tumeme twingi muno, but they've been consistent na ithwe na magatwenda na magatuthikiriria, no makoretwo matuthikiriirie ni gukorwo tukimahe ndeto cia uma, tutire itheru nao, tutire kumamamia na kumacinura na kumaira, you know, na kumonia mutire okay. So no kumacokeria ngatho na kumendithiria mwaka mweru mwega. Turahoya Ngai ni gukorwo wi muhotho, no Ngai angituhe muoyo ri ni gutuonie twi na hinya wa go push even further 2024. So yeah.
Thank you so much. Ni ndakena muno na I've been willing gucemania nawe.
Ni postaga TV yaku. You need to pay me.
Mushara witu igira date 21. Ko 21. So ni kuga date 23 reule kuga January. Ni gakorehera rent. Sorry.
Gakorehera keki ya birthday. Yes.
Sawa, ni igamegora.
Thank you so much. And God bless you so much for even helping us push this.
Ni muthenya wa rucio guko Absa. Ikoragwo haha KC na regular ni 500, VIP 100, VVIP 200 na aria magoka marita couples.
Ni magoka turie maisha. Ni magatukorwo na ithu guku twi couples.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.